はい、皆さんこんにちは。よろしくお願いします。今日もね、仕事終わりましたんで、事務所帰って、処理終わらして、また夜英会話頑張りたいと思います。ちょっとね、最近スピーキング、練習ちょっと飽きてきちゃったんで、トピックトークっていうのがあるみたいなんで、ちょっと今回はそれで、先生とトークしてみたいと思います。それではよろしくお願いします。
Warm up.
Yes.
I'll read the instructions again.
Yes.
Let's name all the things that you can see in this picture for 1 minute.
All right.
Alright, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Please start.
All right, let's go. Daughter. The daughter wants to have a pet, and she really likes to play with the dog. And then she begged to mother. And then, but the mother said no. And then she is worried about having the pet vaccinated. And then having a pet is very difficult because it costs a lot. Taking to the hospital or about the food. And also she's worried about barking to neighbors. It is annoying for neighborhood, so she's worried about that. That is why mommy said to her daughter, no. That's it.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yes.
So you said the daughter wants to have a pet.
Yes.
She really likes to play with the dog. She begged the mother. But the mother said no, and she is worried about having the pet vaccinated. And having a pet is very difficult. It costs a lot. She worried about the barking because it can disturb their neighborhood.
Oh yeah, disturb.
Okay. Thank you so much for that. And it's a job well done.
Thank you.
Alright, so this time you said she begged to mother.
Yes.
Or you can also said she begged to her mother.
She begged to her mother.
Yes.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Alright.
Alright, now let's move on to the next section, words and phrases. I'll read the instruction first. Study each of the words and phrases listed below and try to use them in a sentence again.
All right.
Okay, first let's read the words and phrases and
Yes.
please repeat after me once. Let's start.
All right.
Take good care of.
Take good care of.
Have my dog vaccinated.
Have my dog vaccinated.
I promise to.
I promise to.
Break a promise easily.
Break a promise easily.
I cannot let you because.
I can't let you because.
Beg my mother to buy me a dog.
Beg my mother to buy me a dog.
Taking care of a pet is very tough.
Taking care of a pet is very tough.
Great. Trust.
Trust.
Pros and cons.
Pros and cons.
Take the pet for a walk.
Take the pet for a walk.
Wow, perfect job, Ken.
Yes.
This time, please make a sentence using each word or phrase.
Can I see the sentences on the
Yes,
screen?
of course.
All right.
Yes.
Yes. All right. I will make sentences using these phrases, right?
Yes, yes. Go ahead.
All right. Okay. The daughter wants to have a pet, buy a pet, and she promised to mother, I will take good care of the dog. I promised to take care of the dog. And mommy said, but no. No. You break a promise easily all the time. Having a pet, there are lots of pros and cons. Like having the dog is vaccinated, going for work. It's very difficult for you, Mommy said. That's it.
That would be all. Okay, thank you so much.
Maybe I use all.
Okay, let's check this one first.
Yes.
You said,
Yes.
let me just have this. The daughter wants to buy a pet.
Yeah.
She promised her mother that she will take good care of the dog.
Yeah.
Her mother said no. Okay, because you break your promise easily all the time. There are pros and cons in having a pet, like vaccinated and going for a walking, mother said. Okay, thank you so much.
Just a moment, teacher.
And
This is
okay, go ahead.
This is a sample good answer. Right?
Yes.
Okay, let me read. Okay?
Okay, but before that,
Yeah.
Ken,
Yeah.
all right, I cannot let you hear.
You cannot what? Sorry?
All right, so there is a word I cannot let you because, and you forgot to use these words.
Oh, really? I didn't use.
Yes.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, sorry. Really?
Okay, so let me just send this to you so that you can check this later.
Yes.
Okay, so you can you see the answers I type in the chat box?
Okay, I will read, okay?
Okay,
Okay.
go ahead.
The daughter wants to buy a pet. She promised her mother that she will take good care of the dog. Her mother said, no, because you break your promise easily all the time. There are pros and cons in having a pet, like vaccination and going for work. That
Okay.
is why I can't let you, because there are lots of tough things to have a dog. Difficult.
There are a lot
Okay?
of top things in
In
having a dog.
having a dog, yes.
Okay, how about the trust?
Oh, trust me.
Okay.
Yeah. Trust me, daughter said to mother. Trust me, please.
Okay, just trust me.
Just trust me.
All right, daughter said to her mother.
Just trust me. Yes. That is why I can't let you, because there are lots of tough things in having a dog. Just trust me, the daughter said to her mother. Yes.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. Very difficult.
Okay, it's okay. But before we move on, Ken, do you have any questions?
It's okay. I clear, yes.
Okay, everything is clear now.
Everything's clear, yes.
So, did you give revenge from the previous?
Oh, 50%.
50%. Wow, that's great because we still have a lot of time.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much, and it's a job well done, Ken. This time, let's have the next section, story.
Story.
I'll read the instructions to you, so please listen carefully. Let's try to make a story, Ken, using the picture on page 1. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, let's start.
Okay. The daughter begged her mother to buy her a dog. And she promised to take good care of the dog. But mommy said no. Because no. Mommy said, I can't let you because you you break a promise easily. There are lots of pros and cons of having a pet. For example, have a dog vaccinated. And then we need to take for a walk. Can you do it? And she said, just trust me. I will take good care of the dog. Did I use everything? I think.
Yes, I think. All right. You said the last part is she said, just trust me and
She just trusts me and
I will take care
take care
of the dog.
of the dog.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow, it's a job well done, Ken.
My job is okay?
Yes, she said the daughter begged her mother to buy her a dog.
Oh.
She promised to take good care of the dog, but her mother said, I can't let you because you break a promise easily. There are a lot of pros and cons of having a pet, like having the dog vaccinated, and we need to take it for a walk. Can we do it? She said, just trust me, and I will take care of the dog. Wow!
Wow.
Great job!
Hey, teacher David, just a moment.
Yes, okay, go ahead.
What you read right now is this sentence, right? In the chat box.
Yes,
This sentence,
yes.
did I make or you write down the correct answer? Which
Yes, you made this.
one? I made this one?
Yes.
Oh, really? Thank you.
Yes, and I just put the period and comma in the right, let's just say, position.
Oh,
Okay.
okay, thank you. Yes.
Thank you so much. And maybe you can see in this sentence or in this answer that I put some words like a, just add the word a and they. But all in all, it is your answer, Ken.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Good
And
job.
you are doing great. Yes. Because
Yes.
I was thinking maybe you will use our previous answer and then you will start. The daughter wants to buy a pet.
Yeah.
But you changed it. The daughter begged her mother to buy her a dog. That's great.
Oh, really?
Yes,
Thank
you
you.
are doing great.
Oh, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
This practice really work for me. You know, it's very
Yes.
very difficult.
Yes, and I from the previous class because you was one of my students before, right?
Yeah.
Maybe last September, and we did a lot of improvement as of this moment, Ken. It's a job well done.
Oh, really? Thank
Well,
you.
congratulations, Ken.
Thank you very much. Really.
Yes. Okay, so from 1 to 100%, Ken,
Yes.
how's your revenge progress?
How? Just I reviewed after previous
Yes.
lesson, and then
Okay.
I wrote down the sentences that
Wow.
I couldn't make at my previous lesson. I
Okay.
couldn't use this expression. Take care of the dog,
Wow.
and then
Wow.
worried about having the dog vaccinated, and then I can't let you because blah blah blah, and I beg mom to buy me a dog. These 4 sentences I couldn't make by myself, and then after the
Previously?
previously, yes, and then after the lesson I read maybe 10 times, and then after after having a confident, something like that, and I revenged this time. So
Wow, congratulations.
thank you. But yes, maybe this.
And I am so happy and proud to be part of your improvement, Ken.
Oh, really? Thank you very much.
No, the pleasure is all mine.
You know, I I'm studying English in native Kang for 2 months, and just a couple of days ago, I found that maybe continuously taking the same lesson at least 2 times, it's very it will work for me.
Very effective.
Very effective. So yeah, before that I changed every time the topic or speaking topic, right? So yeah, so I changed the way, so maybe it's better for me.
Yes. All right. So maybe because the first lesson
Yeah.
with the same lesson flow is your pre-test.
Oh yes, 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 yes.
And then the second one is your post-test or review
Yes.
on the previous lesson. And that's very great strategy, Ken.
Oh yeah.
Wow. And I can see that it's way better than the other
Mm,
because changing topics, even if you don't understand the lesson, is a little bit useless, right?
oh yes.
Yes, because you are studying to learn.
Yeah.
Not you are not studying just to have more than 10 lessons in 1 month.
Yes.
But you are here in native camp to learn. That is your goal.
Mm.
And I am very happy because you found this kind of strategy, Ken, and then it's worth it because I can see that you are improving.
Oh, thank you very much. Too much compliment. Very.
No,
Thank-
no,
thank-
I am just saying the truth, Ken.
Oh, really? So.
Yes, because
Yeah.
if I may share this information to you,
Yes.
some of my students here in Native Camp, they enrolled in difficult lesson,
Yeah.
but they find it very hard and difficult to understand, and it's not effective.
Oh, yeah, 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 yeah.
Yes, so it's better if you have this lesson slowly,
Yes.
but at the end of the day, you learn
Yes.
from this lesson, and that's our goal.
Oh, yeah. So I need to practice the same lesson at least 2. It's better, right?
Yes, it's better. But can if you can understand the lesson for first time, it's okay if you choose another lesson the
Oh,
next
yeah, yeah,
time.
yeah, yeah. Yes, yes. I think so. I think so too. Yes. But at last time, my previous lesson, almost I couldn't say anything.
Oh, maybe because you are shy.
No. Just I couldn't. I couldn't have
You
ability.
couldn't make a sentence.
Yeah, yeah,
Oh, so you couldn't form a sentence. But you are good now.
yeah. Maybe. Yes. Maybe after this
Yes,
lesson.
you are.
After this lesson, I will review again, and maybe one more. I will do that. The same lesson.
Wow.
So
Okay, so all the contents in the chat box, you can study this later on.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay, and you can ask the teacher here in Native Camp
Mm.
anything and anytime, Ken, okay?
Yeah.
はい、ありがとうございました。レッスン終了しました。今回ですね、スピーキング練習がちょっと飽きてきたということで、トピックトークっていうのをちょっと変えてみたんですね。で、前回ね、やったんですけど、なかなかできなくて、喋れなくて、ダメやったんですよ。 で、それを復習して、今回、同じ教材で、違う先生ですけど、それで、臨んだんですね。で、前よりは全然良かったなと、意味があったなっていうことで、良かったと思います。で、そういったことをレッスン中に先生と話してたら、すごいいいよと、そのやり方合ってるよということで、褒めてくれました。途中でね、ちょっと先生が、僕のことを勘違いしてて、去年の9月頃に受けた生徒やんね、ということで、もう1から100まで伸びたわよ、みたいなことを言ってくれてたんですけど、僕それ聞き取れなくて、スルーして言ってたら、ちょっとそういったような勘違い、すれ違ったまま話が進んじゃってた時があったんですけど、多分途中で先生気づいてくれたと思うんですけど、で、結局先生は、復習して、2回、3回やるのもすごいいいことやと、いいステレオティジーだよ、みたいなこと言ってはったんですけど、それは僕も今回すごく実感できました。僕は特にね、おっさんやからもう、何回もしてるの忘れるんですよ。なんで僕の前多分2回、3回これから続けてやっていこうと思ってるんで、できなかったレッスンに対してはね、それも皆さんもすごいいいかなと、もしわからんままね、進んでいったんでも、で先生も結構言うてはったけど、ネイティブキャンプですごい無駄なことしてる人多いよ、生徒さん多いわ、ということで言うてはって、自分より難しすぎる内容をやってんのに、もう次々行っちゃうレッスン、進んでいっちゃうみたいなことを言うてはって、それは先生の生の声なんやろなと、もっと自分で理解できてから喋れるようになってから次の方に行った方がええのになみたいなことを先生に言ってはったんで、何かの参考になればいいかなと思います。私もこれからはそうやってやっていきたいと思います。はい、ということで以上になります。またよろしくお願いします。ありがとうございました。